ladies and gentlemen, we are still here at the red carpet. This is Marwa Music Awards 2024. And of course, your red carpet host, Felix Omondi. And my next guest on the red carpet, ladies and gentlemen, these are one of the people who have been promoting Luo artists, organizing Luo events, and they are called Ingieni bana. Ai, watu wanangoja sana, wanashangaa. Manze, tuko sawa? Are we on tuko ndani wote? Sawa sawa. Kwanza hiyo jina yenu nakuanga ngumu kuipronounce. Luo
Luo Royalty.
Ebuza Luo Royalty. Moja mjaluo na hizo R na nini ni ngumu. So welcome to the Marwa Music Awards. Last year you are not there, but this year I said you have to come because you are one of the few people who are promoting Luo artists by organizing events. And of course naona umevaa black hapo hivyo na naona gold kidogo pale. Who is your designer?
I'm dressed by Babington Suits.
Big shout out to you. And of course tuko hapa na Eric na ama niseme tu Luo Royalty. Hivyo tu ndio nyinyi wote mko wawili, nyinyi Royalty. So we've seen you are doing a lot of Luo events. You are promoting Luo artists. And of course this is Marwa Music Awards. This is one of the few, if not the only event that is awarding Luo artists. So what do you feel about Marwa Music Awards? To start with you, ama tuanze huku.
For me, basically, I feel it is a nice initiative. Awards is what gets you to know the artists. Unaweza ona pia ranking, those who are working hard, those who are upcoming. So it is good that Marwa Awards gets to recognize all these artists and put them together, irrespective of where they're coming from. I think this platform that we're giving them so that they can get to showcase their talent is an awesome job.
So I think it's a great event. The fact that it's giving people platform and also recognizing their talents and the skills that they have. So it's a big deal for every artist, even for us. And we feel that it's something that will make even more artists, those who are coming up, work harder. Yeah.
And of course I understand. I told you the last minute. Niliwaambia you have to come to the event. Najua hata mko mmepanga the black and the gold. Kwa sababu mimi nawajua, I've seen your events. Nyinyi ni wale mnapiganga suti, nyinyi mnajua suti ni nini. Niliwa ambush ndio maana naona gold kidogo haionekani, black iko kwa umbali. So we saw you are one of the people who are organizing the niseme Luo Festival, the Luo Mombasa Le Grand Luo Festival, yeah? Yes. You are the organizers. So tumeona mna promote a lot of artists coming from the lakeside. And tumeona tena mko na event. What can you tell us about your event? Kwa sababu nimeona events zenyu na zetu zina relate. By the next year you need to be part of this event. Kwa sababu yani tunafanya tu the same thing. So when is the event?
So the event is coming up on 20th of April. That is I think the third week of the month of April. So we invite everyone. Once again we'll be in Mombasa for the second time for the Grand Luo Festival, and we believe that this time is going to be bigger and better, and we also invite the members of Marwa to take part and be part of the team that is organizing this. Yeah.
So what different are you doing this time? Kwa sababu last time mlifanya the first edition, right? Yes. Luo Festival, the Le Grand Luo Festival. Yes. Nini tungoje tofauti this time?
You should expect bigger and bigger ideas, of course, in regards to all the artists that we're bringing forward. Tunataka we make sure that everyone gets a chance to enjoy, and of course Luo Royalty is an international scenery, so we get to ensure that everyone who is on board gets to enjoy. But kwa hiyo siri ya ndani wacha tuweke kidogo kwa sababu of course kuna watendakazi wenye tuko nao, but as soon as possible when we can get to now unleash the official poster, then tunaweza kaweka kila kitu chini kwa meza at that time.
What do you have to add?
So I can just say that this time expect bigger and better in conjunction with F+, which is our main partner in this event. So expect bigger things. Last time we asked for people's opinion on which artists they want to see there. So we listen to people. Whatever they tell us to do is what we do. So this time, expect more. Sure.
So you guys, you are doing a really nice job. Mnafanya kazi poa sana. I said you have to be here. And of course, I'll make sure you interact with the organizers of the event. I'm also part of it. Tujuane kwa sababu tunafanya the same thing. These artists when you tuko nao hapa, you are the ones who are promoting them. So what are you expecting from the event tonight? Tukitoka hapa, nini una expect tuko ndani?
So I expect to see new names on the list. I'm sure we're going to see more artists on the list. I've seen Marwa has made an initiative not just to award just musicians, but even TikTokers who are making an effort to make sure that the Luo music is going global. So this time around, I'm expecting to see more faces, and I just expect that more people will be encouraged even to participate in Luo music, not just by singing, but also by promoting and also by partnering with the artist. Yeah.
Of course, we have our Hawkeyes outside. We want to see the new talents. We would like to see the experience, how the crowd is receiving the different artists. We would like as much as possible to involve each and every artist mwenye labda hajapata platform. In short, Luo Royalty, we are just there to get a platform from each and every talent. You do not only have to be a musician, you can be a content creator. All of this encompasses talent. So we are here. Of course, I'm at F Plus Limited. We're going to be there to check and ensure that we're also part of the same family, because if this is a Luo event, mbona Luo Royalty of course.
Hii ndo Luo yenyewe. Royalty, Le Grand. So thank you so much. I hope you're going to enjoy the event. Karibuni sana.
Asante sana.